We'll plug the bottle and start pumping it up. When the pressure is at a limit, we take out the cork and pop is heard. And the bottle is filled with this kind of white smoke. A similar effect can be achieved without alcohol. The main thing is to choose a bottle with the right neck, like this. Tighten the cork tightly, and then start twisting the bottle as much as possible. Twist with all your might until the pressure becomes maximum. Now we carefully begin to unscrew the cork until it shoots, leaving the little white smoke in the bottle. That's the trick. For the next trick, we will need a bottle of distilled water. We will put it in the freezer for an hour and a half. Carefully take it back out. Now strike one light blow and the water starts to freeze right in front of your eyes. Incredible, isn't it? Or you can hit the bottle on the table and get the same effect. And if you try to pour this water into a glass, it will begin to form an ice column. Fix the match on the edge of the table with the brick. We tie a rope around the neck of a full bottle and fix it on the base of a match. Then, insert a second match in this way and connect them with the third match. Now you can remove the brick, and 3 fragile matches can easily withstand the weight of 2 liters of water. But it is necessary to remove 1 match and the whole structure falls. For the next experiment, we will pour dry ice into a bottle of water. He immediately begins to evaporate, and we need to tighten the cork on the bottle. As soon as that is twisted, we urgently move away to a safe distance. The bottle was torn apart by a powerful explosion. Never repeat it yourself. It's better to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell. To begin with, you will need 2 small holes on opposite sides of the egg. Now, take a plastic bottle and make a hole in the bottom. Fill it with water. We fix the prepared egg on the neck of the bottle with plasticine. And now we remove the finger from the hole in the bottle, and the pressure will pull out the entire contents of the egg. The ball inside the bottle deflates on my command as soon as I squeeze my hand and I seem to put pressure on it. Do you want to know what the secret is? To begin with, put the ball in the bottle and pull it over its neck. Now, let's make a small hole in this place. Inflate the balloon covering the hole with your finger, and once you release the hole, the ball will immediately begin to deflate. Look at this Coke bottle. It's like rubber. Now, I'll show you what the secret is. To begin with, put the pan on the fire and pour it into a little more than 1 bottle of Coca-Cola. Add 50 grams of gelatin and mix until smooth. At this time, we will cut the bottle and wrap it with tape. Now, pour our mixture inside the bottle, fill it to the brim, and remove the foam. We'll put it in the freezer for 24 hours. Now, carefully remove the plastic from our gelatin bottle and put a label on it, and the cork will stay on the toothpick. Here's such a jelly cola turned out. We also made a jelly Mirinda, and yes, they are very tasty. And now, we'll show you how to make a chocolate bottle. To do this, we will need 2-3 chocolate bars, which we will melt in a steam bath. After that, pour the liquid chocolate into a bottle and distribute smoothly over the entire inner surface. We immediately put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes so that the chocolate freezes. We take it out the refrigerator and fall asleep inside the M&Ms. We remove the plastic mold with the stationary knife. We paste the label and install the lid on top. And now let's take a look at the cross section. By the way, instead of sweets, you can pour real cola into it and the bottle is empty and enjoy delicious chocolate. And now we have an incredibly beautiful experiment on our turn. Let's make a hole in the bottom of the bottle. Take a rubber hose and heat it to give it plasticity. Pull one end on gas burner and the other on the neck of a bottle. We will fix our construction with the plastic pipe and several clamps. That's the device we got. We run the gas inside a hose and then give it a spark. The light rushes along the hose like a roller coaster, completing everything with a small explosion in a bottle. Look how beautiful it looks in the total darkness. But in no case, do not repeat this at home. It can be very dangerous. We'll put a few, one after the other. And then we'll push the first one. It's time to move on to heavy artillery. We'll start with 10 bricks for now. One light movement of the foot. Bricks are falling like dominoes. Let's repeat it. And now, I will show you how we achieve that they fall in a straight line. The bricks need to be properly stacked up on top of each other. The key role is played by the point of contact of the bricks, which should not be more than 1 centimeter. Now, we will expose the bricks, remove the support, and repeat our trick. It turned out great. But it's time to move on to full-scale domino effect. Now, I will place all 50 bricks from this stack along the road according to our principle. I'll speed up the video for you. The main thing is to observe the rule of point of contact, which absolutely every brick. Otherwise, nothing will work. It remains only to expose the bricks to prepare them for the fall. As you can see, distance between them is absolutely identical. We remove the supporting brick and we are ready for action. That's such a long row we got, as many as 50 bricks. Are you ready to see them fall? Let's go. We did it! Domino effect with 50 bricks. Let's run them again. Gotcha! And now, seriously? It turns out that bricks are no worse than dominoes.